Essential tools for a geologist. Number 1. Geological hammer. It is used for breaking and sampling rocks in the field, from basalt to the hardest metamorphic rock. Number 2. Clinometer compass. It is used to measure the direction of geological formation, strike and dip. It is also used for navigation purposes. Number 3. GPS. It is essential for mapping sites and recording exact coordinates of samples. Number 4. Magnifier or lens. It is used to observe the details of minerals and fossils, often crucial for dating and identification. Number 5. Notebook and pen. To take detailed notes on observations, measurements and land sketches. Number 6. Backpack. Robust and well organized. It is used to carry all the necessary materials without clutter. Number 7. Camera. For capturing high-resolution images of geological formations and specimens for further analysis. Number 8. Chisel. It is used to precisely break rocks to extract minerals. Number 9. Crowbar. Use in tight spaces or to shift heavy obstructions. Number 10. Eye shield. Wear whenever chipping or fracturing rocks. Number 11. Field glasses. It is used to scout for geological features from a distance. Number 12. Geiger counter. It is used to detect radioactive minerals. This is very useful in areas with known radioactive elements. Number 13. Headlight. This is very useful in the night time or in caves for good visibility. It is essential for safety and detailed observations. Number 14. First aid kit. A well-stocked kit can make all the difference in an emergency on the field. Like and subscribe for more videos.